Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage fry at home. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need one medium-sized cabbage, about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and your favorite spices. Make sure to slice the cabbage thinly for even cooking. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Next, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent. This step builds the flavor base for your cabbage fry, ensuring a rich and aromatic dish that everyone will love. It's time to add those wonderful flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder, or adjust to your taste. Immediately add the sliced cabbage and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices coat every piece. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cabbage is tender crisp. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Almost done. Now, season your cabbage fry with salt to taste. If you like, add a pinch of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth and aroma. Give it a final stir, and then garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. Your delicious homemade cabbage fry is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with rice, roti, or as a side dish. Enjoy this simple, flavorful, and healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.